So we're standing in front of a sauna that we built on site in a master bathroom suite. This room originally was intended to be a linen closet on the design plans, and partway through the project, the homeowner asked, can we put a sauna in the bathroom? So a combination of putting that linen stuff into a full-size cabinet elsewhere, we were able to turn this room into a sauna. A lot of what you see on the surface is all raw cedar material that was sourced from Baird Brothers. This door even, we sourced all the individual wood components and built the door here on site. And everything in here is a cedar shiplap that is nailed up to the inside of the stud walls to create that inside cedar look of a sauna. What's really cool is while there's obviously companies that sell kits, and it seems like a very high-end luxury type item to have, it was very easy to create the sauna out of a room that wasn't originally intended to be a sauna. Simply added insulation amongst all the stud cavities before we covered anything. We added foil bubble insulation stapled to the face of the studs all the way around, and then the wood was just trim nailed on over top of that. And with the addition of a 220 volt electric line to a heater, which is right around the corner here, and a little control panel on the outside, turn it on and the room heats up, and it's a great addition for a master bathroom.